Starting around 02 September 2023, Jasmy coin by and large is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61%. In genuinely most recent 1 hour, in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy in a real sense has an essentially all-out market cap of $181,636,397, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,074,496 in an unobtrusive manner. This in every way that really matters makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, exceptionally positioning at 145 in the digital money market. Or so they generally thought. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin by and large be in every practical sense worth in 2023? Or so they sort of thought. Is Jasmy coin a genuinely wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023? Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Will Jasmy cost outperform its record-breaking high? Which really is genuinely critical. These generally are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost really is supposed to especially cross a truly normal value level of $0.005, the normal truly least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the for the most part current year. Ought to be $0.004 in a very significant manner. Besides, Jasmy can especially arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.005, which essentially is very critical. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, which basically is very huge. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.004 in an exceptionally huge manner. Jasmy value conjecture September 2023. The Jasmy coin figure for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may sort of arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.004 with a sort of least cost of around $0.004, which essentially is very critical. Discussing the genuinely normal value, Jasmy can generally stretch around $0.004 for September, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the very most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could in every way that really matters stretch around $0.005, which by and large is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 for the most part is $0.004, with a very normal cost of $0.004 in a kind of significant manner. Jasmy value conjecture November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Jasmy coin in a real sense is supposed to truly arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.004 in a significant manner. The Jasmy cost could really arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $0.005, with the especially normal cost around $0.004, or so they especially thought. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin sort of is basically anticipated to essentially reach it and in every way that really matters, least worth of $0.004 in December 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. The Jasmy cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.005, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023. Which in a real sense is very huge. Jasmy coin extremely past value examination and the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been somewhat diminished by 1.05% in its certainly current worth in an exceptionally significant manner. Assuming we sort of look at the extremely current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap especially is additionally down, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin fundamentally is confronting and in every way that really matters, difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The Jasmy essentially is down to nearly 7.62% in the by and large most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for commonly past really couple of days. The coin could truly have areas of strength, for certainly however, we don't in every practical sense feel that it would a beneficial resource and beautiful transient in a kind of significant manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy by and large diminished by 45.855%, killing an astounding genuinely normal amount of $0.003 from its kind of current worth, which truly shows that Jasmy coin value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Jasmy coin could explicitly stretch around $0.005, which is genuinely huge. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a decent basically purchase a potential open door for fast speculation. Truly further appearance how while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $0.004, the 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 29.15%, and the cost for the most part flowed from an especially least kind of typical cost of $0.005 to genuinely greatest fundamentally normal cost of $0.005 in the truly beyond 90 days in every practical sense. Further appearance how starting around 02 September 2023, Jasmy coin truly is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in absolute most recent 1 hour, in a kind of huge manner. In certainly most recent 4 months Jasmy coin certainly has shown a developing pattern. Pretty further appearance how basically is Jasmy coin a kind of wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 incredibly. In this way, we generally believe that comparative pieces of the market by and large were very famous at that period in a really significant manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin generally is expanded from 4 months in a significant manner. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, showing how in kind of most recent 4 months Jasmy coin in a real sense has shown a developing pattern. Pretty further appearance how in every practical sense is Jasmy coin a generally excellent venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of significant manner. The coin by and large is up by 2.98%, with the kind of greatest truly normal cost of the coin essentially was around $0.003, and the truly least kind of typical cost of explicitly was around $0.003 in especially beyond 4 months. Fundamentally further appearance how Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value figure 2023 facts. What will sort of be Jasmy coin fundamentally worth in 2023 in an all things considered significant way? The Jasmy